This is going to be the 10 minutes Pilates style core burn routine that you keep coming back for if you're working on a snatch waist. I highly recommend you to follow with the loop band for the best results. I'll be using this ball, but it also works if you have a block or a book. And a hand weight, you can replace it with something heavy like a bag of rice or a water bottle. Let's start on all four, practicing how to breathe into our core to activate our ab muscles. Hands under the shoulder. I am slightly rounding my back to keep my rib cage in. Breathe in and make your stomach big, like you want to drop it on the floor. And when you breathe out, feel the belly button drawing into the spine. And repeat breathing out, dropping the stomach, making it big. Breathing in, belly button to the spine. Everything is stable, it's just breathing into the stomach, expanding it as big as you can. And breathe out to bring the belly button back into the spine. This is what engaging your core feels like. Now let's lay on our back. Try the same breathing again, and then we're gonna get started. I'm standing on my feet, keeping my back long on the mat, rib cage in. Now I'm gonna breathe in and make my stomach really big. Breathe out and feel the belly button drawing in. Remember this feeling, and now we're ready to start. Bring our feet up to tabletop. We'll start with tapping one foot on the mat at a time. Make sure your abs are nice and strong, keeping your back on the mat the whole time. Just moving the legs up and down as controlled as you can. Keep breathing in and out, nice and strong. If this still feels easy, let's speed up switching the legs, but keep being nice and stable. Just 3 more, 2, and 1. Now it's time to grab the loop band for our next exercise. I'm bringing it through my legs. I'm placing the band on the left side under my knee and the right side above my knee. Standing on my feet, rolling my spine up from the bottom up to a bridge. When you're ready, straighten the left leg, bend and bring it to the chest. Straighten and bend for 10 times. Keep breathing and keep standing hard on the left leg, keeping the bridge up as you're straightening and bending the right leg. 3, 2, last one we're gonna hold, pulse for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring the leg down, roll the spine down. Nice job. Let's adjust the band to switch side. Left side above the knee, right side under the knee. Then I'm gonna stand on my feet again. Start with a gentle inhale and exhale. When you roll up, start with your tailbone, lower back, mid back to a bridge. Then straighten the left leg, bend for 10 times. 9, 8, 7, keep the bridge up. 6, keep breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we hold and pulse for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and now leg down and roll our bridge down. Now have the band above your knees on both sides and come to an all four. Hands under shoulders, knees under hip. Standing on the toes, we're gonna hover the knees and step them out left to right 10 times. Remember the breathing exercise that we did. Make sure you're not arching your back. Lots of tension, actively engaging your abs. Keep your breath flowing, stepping in and stepping out for 4 more. Last 3. Last 2. Last 1. Slowly bring your knees back down. And now we can remove the band. Time to grab the ball or your block for the next killer exercise. Start with laying on our back. Standing on the feet, now right leg up to tabletop. I'm gonna press my block against my thigh. Straighten the left leg. Abs active and engaged. Now I'm lifting my shoulder blades off the mat. Also lift the left leg up and down without touching the mat 10 times. 3, keep pressing into your block or ball. 4, 5, keep breathing and keep pressing. 6, 7, 8, 9, and last 1. Come all the way down and then switch side. Place the ball on my left thigh, left leg come to tabletop, activate my abs, bring my shoulder blades off the mat, straighten my right leg and lift for 10. 9, keep pressing into the knee. 8, keep breathing. 7, 6, you can do this. 5, leg nice and strong. 4, 3, 2, press harder, and last 1. And then now we come back down. That was tough. Let's take a moment to breathe in deeply. Next, we'll straighten our legs. I will bring the ball behind my head. Arms and legs up to hollow body. Left arm is gonna touch the right foot. Straight leg, straight arm, shoulder blades off the floor 10 times. And try your best to be stable in the middle. 3, 2, and 1. Come back down and relax for a second. Then we're gonna switch side. Ball is on my right hand. Lift the arms and legs up to hollow body. Right hand to the left feet. 3, keep breathing. 4, 5, 6, almost there. 7, 8, 9, and last 1. Now we can put the ball away. Time to grab the weight. Next is one of my favorite for training ab definition. We'll be on our knees in a high kneeling position. Start with standing on our toes. Strong thigh, strong glute just to keep the position. Remember our breathing exercise, lengthening the whole body, zipping your abs in. Very important, keeping our body nice and straight and long. We'll use the weight as counterweight, so I'm gonna bring it above my head. Breathe in and breathe out to lower the weight and hinge back. And breathe in again to come up. Breathe out to lower and hinge and come up for 10 times. If you're feeling your knees, try to think strong quad, strong glute, strong abs. Use your muscles to support your movement. Breathe out to lower and come back. Inhale and exhale to lower and come back. 4 more. Exhale, come back. 3 more. Exhale and come back. 2. Exhale, strong abs and come back. Last 1. Now weight down, we're gonna rest for a second. Since this one is really effective, we're going to do this one more time. Come back up to high kneeling position again. Stand on the feet. Lift the weight above the head. Remember the feeling zipping up your abs. Exhale to bring it down. Zipping up your abs. Exhale. 9, 8, keep breathing, nice and strong. 7, 6, look at our abs getting really strong. 5, 4, 3, last 2, and last 1. Great job. Now the hardest one is over, just a few more. We can put the weight away. Now we're gonna come to a reverse plank position. I think opening my shoulders, chest up, hip up, strong abs. Then we're gonna bring the left knee up 10 times. Try to keep the body stable. Only the left leg is moving. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Left leg back down. Let's adjust our reverse plank. Straighten our body. And then now the right knee for 10 times. Three, 2, and 1. Leg down, adjust our plank again. Let's hold for 3 seconds. 2, 1, and gently lower our hip. One last exercise, then we are going to stretch. Lay on our back, stand on our feet. We're now going to target those stubborn lower abs. Bring your body up, reaching the arms up. Lengthening your body straight, lean back as slowly as you can. Use your lower abs to hold until you can't anymore, and you will find yourself dropping on the mat. And come back up again, stand on the feet, lowering and holding as long as you can. Until you cannot, you will find yourself dropping on the mat. This is more tiring than it looks. We're just going to repeat for 2 more times. Down, up. Lower it slowly, keep controlling until you can't. And now one last time. Lower as slow as you can. And that was our lower ab crunch. And you just did this 13 minutes core burn routine. Time to reward ourselves for a little stretch. I'm gonna turn over to lay on my stomach, hands next to my chest. Straighten my arms, lift my body up, stretching my abs here. Turn your head to the right to look at your left foot. Turn to the left to look at your right foot. One more time, turn to the right and to the left. Now let's sit back to a child pose. Really great job for following through this routine. Let's come back to it a few times a week. Your abs will be nice and strong in no time. If you enjoyed this workout, please like and subscribe and check out the other workout videos to build a strong, beautiful body. I will see you there.